So Terry, you've arrived. How do you feel?
I've arrived, yes, 73 miles from the other side of Bowness, and feel great.
What kind of reception have you had here at Wylam?
It's incredible. Look at all these wonderful people come out to see me and you, of course, in the rain. It's lovely.
And why are you doing this?
I'm doing this for a charity called Integrating Children, who are disabled children, so we can afford to send them to do social activities.
And what have you got left to do?
Left to do, I've got to run from here to Newcastle tomorrow, get to Segadoonham tomorrow night, do a book signing, and then a small matter of the Great North Run on Sunday.
So how many hours of running will you have done altogether?
About 3 hours a day times 7, 21 hours of running.
And how on earth is your body coping with this?
It's great because when you've got receptions like this to run into, it just lifts you up, doesn't it?
That's excellent. Well, good luck for Sunday.
Thank you very much.